Hi YouTube, I'm Ross from Boston, and I don't really like to talk in front of the camera very much, so I'll make this quick. Something you probably don't know about me, I like to solve Rubik's Cubes. I'm a pretty big fan of cubing, I'm a cube nerd. Started doing it after I got my concussion. That's pretty much all I do now. Except I'm starting to get back into the swing of flipping and stuff like that, you know. So I'm just going to do a example solve for you right now. I'm not that fast. My current best is about 1 minute. Yeah, 1 minute, 0 seconds, 0.9. So I'm trying to learn a new method now with 2look OLL and 2look PLL. You probably don't know what that is, but it don't matter, it doesn't matter. So I'm not all that fast, but I'll just give you a shot right here at me solving it. Alright, let's try to get a good camera view. Is that good enough? I don't know. Jeez. I'll just try to solve it like this. I hope this is good enough though. Inspection. Okay. It's already going to be a bad solve, I can feel it. Oh my god, I'm going so bad right now. That solve wasn't all that great, but my fingers aren't really warmed up, so you got what you got. See you later.